Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Get Set Law channel. I'm Akash Srivastava, your law mentor, and today I'm going to tell you 5 tricks to crack Maharashtra Law CET examination 2024. So students, you all know that CLAT is done, ALED is done, and all those students who are focusing on good colleges in Maharashtra, especially GLC Mumbai and ILS Pune, these are the two colleges that are considered by outside Maharashtra students also. So Maharashtra Law CET is a very good examination, very important examination for all the candidates. So if you are targeting this examination, first of all, you will have to understand the syllabus. So if we talk about CLAT and Maharashtra Law CET, there's a difference in the syllabus. So first of all, you will have to do one task, that is make a list of topics that you have already covered for CLAT. Because when we talk about CLAT and Maharashtra Law CET, so they ask 5 sections, but the paper pattern is different. The topics that they ask is different. So first of all, you will have to understand that if there is any particular topic that you have already prepared for a CLAT, you will have to list it down. Next will be attempt one Maharashtra CET mock test to understand which all new topics you need to prepare. So as I said that there's a difference between the paper pattern of Maharashtra Law CET and CLAT. So first of all, what you will do, you will make a list of all those important topics that you have already covered for CLAT, and then you will have to attempt one Maharashtra Law CET mock test to understand which all areas you have to yet to cover. Okay, so these are the areas in which you will have to practice more, you will have to complete. So these are the two tasks that you will have to do to understand the syllabus of Maharashtra Law CET. So students, after understanding this, all those topics that you have prepared for CLAT and all those new topics that you have to prepare, first of all, you will have to make a list of these topics section wise. So for example, if we talk about English, in CLAT, you must have prepared for RC and vocab. But when we talk about Maharashtra Law CET, you will have to prepare grammar also, you will have to prepare parajumbles also. So all those new things that you will have to prepare, new topics that you have to prepare, you will have to make a list. Then the next task will be mention the resources from which you are going to cover these topics. So when we talk about all the new topics, first of all, you will have to understand that from where exactly you are going to cover these topics. So few questions you will get from the concept book also, the books that you are referring. So first of all, it would be important to understand the workload. So that's why I'm saying that after making a list of topics that you have to prepare for Maharashtra Law CET, the next task that you will do, you will have to jot down the resources from which you are going to cover these topics. Then start preparation of those topics that you have not covered even once. So you will understand that these are the topics that I've already covered for CLAT, but there will be multiple topics that you have not even touched yet. So what you have to do, you will have to start from those topics that are not covered yet, that you have not studied or practiced till now. So students, after you have made a list of all those topics that you have prepared for CLAT and then all those topics that you have to prepare, what you need to do, you need to ensure that to cover all the topics through practice, because at times it happens that we skip few topics understanding that these are the topics that I know. But what you need to do for preparing for this examination, you will have to practice each and every type of question that can be asked in the examination. And understanding the paucity of time, that we have very limited time for Maharashtra Law CET, covering easy and average level difficulty questions of all the topics is recommended rather than covering few topics in detail. So what happens that when we talk about CLAT, we used to prepare each and every topic in very in-depth manner. Okay, we used to take each topic and discuss and practice and keep on practicing that topic. But when we talk about Maharashtra Law CET, as we are aware that there will be multiple topics, a lot of things you have to prepare in such a short span of time. So what exactly is recommended, that you cover each and every topic. First of all, you have to cover, and then when we talk about covering topics, you will have to practice questions of easy level as well as average level. You don't have to indulge in any particular difficult or tricky questions and keep wasting your time, because what is important, that you cover each and every type of question, so that if that type of question appears in the examination, you are able to attempt that. So spending more time on covering more topics is recommended as compared to spending all your time in one particular topic. So students, till now we discussed that how exactly you will be preparing 4 sections, that is English, reasoning, there will be legal aptitude, and then there will be your mathematics section. But when we talk about GK, this is something that will be the most challenging section for MSCET, because when we talk about CLAT, we prepared current affairs, we also prepared the static GK related to that current affairs. But when we talk about Maharashtra Law CET, they are going to ask you random questions. So first of all, this will be the most challenging section, you cannot ignore that. So how exactly, from where exactly you need to start? So first of all, as I said that you will have to attempt one mock test. Through mock test, you will understand that these are the areas from which static GK questions can be asked. For example, say they can ask that this particular national park belongs to which state. So what you will do, you will prepare all the important national parks and the state to which they belong. And also, say for example, they are asking about the headquarter of any particular organization. So you will make a list of all the important organization and prepare that. If they're asking you about any important day, then you will prepare a list of all the important days and prepare that. So this is how you can start your preparation for static GK. Also, while you are preparing for static GK, don't ignore the current affairs from December 23 to April 24. Why specifically I'm saying that you will have to prepare current affairs from December 23 to April 24? Because from May 23 till November 23, you have already prepared current affairs for CLAT examination. So you just have to revise whatever you have done so, and then you will have to start fresh for December, current affairs of December 23 to April 24. So students, these were the 4 tricks, and the last trick is mock test is the key. So make a roadmap of mock tests. So I know that you will not have that amount of mock tests as you must have received for CLAT. So what you need to do, you will have to make a roadmap. So first of all, you will have to attend one mock test today. Then when exactly you're going to attend mock test, next mock test, you will have to define the date. And the objective from second mock test onwards will be to work on your weak areas. So all those difficulty you face in that mock test, that will be on your priority list. You will have to prepare all those topics in a very specific manner. Then use this to assess your current level, understanding your weakness, and including more topics of static GK in your preparation. So first of all, it will help you to understand where exactly you stand. So for example, out of 150 you scored 80, and you wish to score 120 for GLC Mumbai, then there is a bridge, there's a gap of 40 marks that you will have to bridge. Then understanding your weakness, as I said that in every mock you will understand that this is one particular area or type of question in which I'm not very much confident in, or these are the types of questions in which I make mistakes. So you will have to work on those mistakes before you attempt the next mock test. And the last thing that you will have to do after attempting mock test will be including more topics of static GK in your preparation. As I said that after you will attempt one mock test, you will understand that these are the areas from which question can be asked. So after attempting every mock test, you will find 4 to 5 new topics that you will have to prepare a list and prepare from the static point of view. And the last suggestion will be students that attempt at least 2 mock tests in the last week before the exam. So on 17th, 18th of May, so you have your examination if they are not postponing it. So you will have to attempt at least 2 mock tests in the last week. Before that, you can plan according to your bandwidth, taking into consideration on which all areas you need to prepare, which all weakness you have to work on. So accordingly, you can plan, but keep one thing in mind that you will have to attempt at least 2 mock tests in the last week. So students, these were the 5 tricks for Maharashtra Law CET examination. Now there is also a very important announcement. So IMS is launching summer boot camp. It will be launched in the city of Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Gurugram and Jaipur. So all the law aspirants who have their dream or they are confused which college to choose or whether law will be a better career option for them or not. So this is the boot camp that you can think of. You can register for it. Registration link is given in the description of this particular video. So go and explore this. If you have any doubt, you can visit your nearest IMS center also, or you can call. So students, this was all with respect to today's session in which we discuss what are the 5 tricks that you can use to crack Maharashtra Law CET examination. I hope you find the video informative enough. So this is all. Best of luck for Maharashtra Law CET examination. Thank you.